Hey guys, welcome back. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 slick back space buns. Stay tuned and let's go.
I haven't done the zigzag part in such a long time, but I'm starting at the point of my forehead and then just creating a zigzag to the point of the top of my head, stopping there, and then I'm just going to split it, make sure everything's good. It wasn't the best zigzag, but I didn't really care. And then from that point, I'm just going to create a straight line down, and that's how you kind of like create an illusion that the parts are connected, even if they're not. I put out some side pieces. You guys know that I love my face framing pieces, and soaked up my head so that I could slick it back. Any parts that I'm not using, I always make sure that I clip off to the side because they sometimes end up getting in the way and messing up my parts in the back. I feel like this is why I don't do zigzag parts, because they require so much attention to detail, and I'm like, okay, I just want to slick my hair back and call it a day, but I had to like very carefully, specifically go in between the zigzags. So after I slicked, I took these 2 thin ponytails. I like these just because like they're just not bulky. That's why I like them. And I created a mid ponytail for the space buns, or I guess they're kind of going to be Bantu buns. And then just did the same steps on the other side. The best way to make sure that your ponytails are lined up, I literally just take both my hands and see if my hands are lined up. And I do that a couple of times because it'll drive me crazy if they're extremely uneven. If they're slightly uneven, it's whatever. But that's like the best way that I know how to do it. Let's get into these Bantu buns. I just started to twist them, and then you can choose how tight or how loose you want to twist them, and I wrapped them around the base of my ponytail. After I felt like the bun was secure enough, I just left some hair out up at the top. You can do it at the bottom too, but I just feel like the top is kind of cuter. That's just what I was going for, at least. And then I took a thin hair tie and wrapped it around at least like 3 times just to make sure it was super secure. And then I pulled the buns a little bit just because what I feel like when they're super tight, sometimes they can look weird. And I was going for like a super loose, like kind of effortless Bantu buns, and then just repeated the same steps on the other side.
I hope this tutorial helped you guys at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.